Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn little more about a nice ornamental indoor plant. Its name is pileacadierei, or in other name aluminium plant. It is a species of flowering plant in the nut family Articaceae. It is endemic to the southern Chinese province, and it is perfect for terrariums, tabletop displays, or as a part of an indoor garden, and can be used in office spaces to add a touch of greenery. And it is believed that it is a natural air purifier, enhances the indoor atmosphere and reduces stress. It symbolizes resilience, thrives with minimal care, and it is perfect for the busy lifestyles. And it is prized for its nice leaf graphics. And today we will learn how to propagate it very easily, and you can add beauty to your indoor as an ornamental plant, and you can do it so easily. Let us see how it is propagate in a simple way. So friends, to start with, this is spirit. Take some spirit and clean the cutter nicely, and you have to take a small branch, cut it. This is the branch. Please remove the bottom part of leaves because it will help easy rooting without wasting energy, and half of the leaf of the top part because it will help the rooting process. And this is aloe vera. You can just rub the bottom part of the branch, and you can see this is the Rootex Plus, and this powder looks like this. Dip the branch the powder and remove the extra powder, and you can see this is one part of sand, one part of garden soil, one part of old cow dung manure, and little bit of this coco peat. You mix it well. After mixing, mix it very well. Protect the branch and the future plant from fungal attack and other insect issues. See, this is systemic fungicide Carbenda Benefil. In 1 liter you can add 2 spoons of Benefil, which I have already mixed, and you can spray over the pot mix so that you can protect your plant from fungal attack and root decomposition. Leave it for some time. You see, this is the pot, and you can put some stones inside it for well drainage of water. Then you can fill the pot with the pot mix. Nicely press it little bit. After pressing it nicely, make a hole with this rod, and you should not put this branch directly. First you have to make a hole. So after making a hole with a rod, you can put like this. Press the pot mix all around, and after planting, don't forget to give water gently and same time again you have to spray little bit of fungicide solution over the plant and around the plant. See, your new plant is ready, and after few days it will grow and bloom with flowers. And you can see similarly I had propagated this one, and you can see so much of root has developed, and the same method I have used here for propagation. So no need to worry, you will get a new plant very soon like this.